Okay, this is gonna be the demo for the Dribblink app. So what we got here is the server code, which is in the server plus queue algorithm folder. First, we're gonna fire up the server, like right here. Okay, the screen is just saying that the server is online. Okay, and now we're gonna head back to the user. Okay, this is the main class for the user. We're gonna pop up some dope UI. You know what I mean? Although it's in the corner of the screen, we don't care. Now let's get some names in. So we got Oliver in and his password. It's easy to crack, yo. Hey, he's playing single. You know what I mean? He's playing 5v5. Let's submit his queue and close it for a while, and then Eddie like this. Ed is also gonna play single 5v5, and we submit his request. Let's go. And now I'm gonna submit my request. I'm gonna submit my request. Yeah. I'll play group of 5, you know. Just for good measure. No, actually I'm feeling good with 3. You know what I mean? And submit my order and submit. Yo, and then my buddy Pedro. He's gonna play in a group of Pedro just password is I'm just playing password. Playing group of 5, yo. We'll submit his request. Submit, yo. Alright, going back to the server. So what's happening here is that we got the input files here, the request files, and we actually viewing it. We can see Ed right here. He's playing alone, and he was requesting 5v5 format. Oliver also plays alone, requests 5v5 format. Pedro with 5 dudes requesting 5v5 format. Me with three buddies. No, me and 2 guys, and then 5v5 format. Okay, so we're gonna terminate this session. So this session of getting requests is done, and then we will open this queue thing here with a 200 line of precious code just to analyze and see who's playing with who. And yeah, so basically just taking and grouping people until it's 10. So that's the basic idea of this algorithm. It's 2 out of n, right? Complexity? Nah, it's a little bit better than that, but it's kind of lengthy. But you know, we don't expect like 100 or 1,000 people in the correct basketball gym at a time. So yeah, that's realistically it works. So let's fire up this queue and see what it does. Okay, so what we got here is a grouping of the court. We're printing who's in this court. Yeah, who's in court number 1. So which is basically printing. But the important thing is here, the return file for the user. You know, we got add Oliver, Pedro, vain.txt, so we can send back to the user to be processed, and it will show them like where they're gonna play. So for example, Ed, he's playing in court number 1 with 10 people. The same with Oliver, me, and Pedro, because we got 1 + 1 + 3 + 5 is 10 people, and we're playing in the first assigned court. So in correct, there's actually 10 courts. So we mark each course as number from 1 to 10. So the first court gets filled with 10 people, and yeah, and then these files get returned to the user and display. You're gonna play court 1 with 10 user, and that's it for our demo. That's really easy and simple, right? No, that's not simple. Hundreds of lines of code. Yeah, thank you for watching.